I have such an exciting project for you today. I absolutely love this one. I'm going to be showing you how to add your own custom design to a shadow box, and then I'm going to show you how to make some easy paper flowers to put inside the shadow box. No cutting machine is required for either, so if you want to see how we made this sign, keep watching.
So the first thing I'm going to do is make my Ikonart stencil, and we have a ton of tutorials on how to do this. I'll link one below if you're not familiar with the process, but I'm using our blue Ikonart stencil film today because I'm going to be using it on glass, and our blue film works best on glass. And I'm printing on the front of my glass today with this multi-surface paint, but if you're worried about your durability of your paint, you can always make your stencil in reverse and add your design to the back side of the glass. That way when you put your shadow box back together, it would be right reading. All right, now for the fun part, let's make our paper flowers. It's super easy. You don't need any special equipment. I just cut 6 3x3 squares and I'm folding it into triangles, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm just going to take a scissors and cut kind of like an arch, almost like the shape of a heart. But when I open it up now, it will look like a flower. And after that, you just cut away sections of each flower, 1 petal, 2 petals, 3 petals, 4 petals, 5 petals, 6 petals. And then you glue them together like this. And just repeat the process for each of your sections that you cut, gluing them together until you get these little tiny sections. And then just take something like a small paintbrush to curl the ends under of each section. And then you're going to glue them together. Just put a small little dot of glue in the middle and glue each of your sections together from biggest to smallest. And then you have this super cute paper flower, really easy to make and so adorable. So I just repeated the process for 3 more. Now I'm going to put it all together. I love how quick and easy this project came together. Of course, you can use any design you want on the front. We use this free design from our website on our free artwork page, but you could put anything you want and it is so cute. I love how those flowers look in this shadow box. Adorable.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out this video as well, where I show you how to screen print in reverse on the back side of glass. My name is Fawn and I share tips and tricks on how to make and use Ikonart stencils. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload.